Hey, what's up, Flitz fans? It's Graham here from Team Flitz. We're at the beautiful VFW Post 10441 in Tishigan, Wisconsin. I'm here with Ray Littman. How you doing, Ray?
Good, good.
Nice to see you. Thank you so much for your service, sir.
Thank you, thank you.
What do we got going on here with this tank? I heard a little bit of story. You brought this onto the Post?
Yeah, I wrote Warren, Michigan, the Department of the Army, to get a static display. That's what these are. And usually takes about 6 to 9 months. But it took about 2 years to get this one. And we have to demill it. And then you have to pull a motor and all the sights are out of it. So it is a static display. That's all it is, really.
Wow, yeah, it's beautiful. And one thing, when we were talking, they said they had some problems. They wanted to clean this thing up a little bit. So we're going to take you on with our products. We got a flat matte paint finish cleaner, which obviously we've got a lot of flat paint on here. And we have a ceramic sealant product that we're going to use on the tank. It will not change the appearance of it at all, but it's going to bring it back to looking as best as new as possible. So stay tuned. We'll get to work on it. I'm here with another member of the VFW Post. Mark, share your story a little bit with us on what you did in the military.
I went into the Marine Corps in 1967 and went to Vietnam, served with the 3rd Battalion, 12th Marines, 1st Battalion, 11th Marines. We do a lot of community service with the vehicles we have. Several of the members have Jeeps, trucks, etc. And it's pretty much our motivation to support the community, and military and civilians included.
He made a great point about those Jeeps. We're going to go over there. We're going to clean and restore those as well, so stay tuned. When it comes to flat finishes such as this military Jeep, one thing you don't want to do is gloss or shine the paint finish. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you 2 products by Flitz. The flat matte paint finish cleaner to clean and restore the painted surface, leaves it right back to that flat finish. And then we're going to come across the sealant. The sealant's going to seal and protect the finish for up to a year. So this bad boy is going to look great riding through those parades. This is a really cool Jeep. Where'd you get this thing from anyhow?
Our posts, like others, have the opportunity to pull vehicles like this out of military storage before they get to the point where they're just going to scrap them. So we have to sign some paperwork, show them that we're an authorized VFW post. This is a nice Jeep. We'd get a lot of compliments, especially this particular Jeep. Was mounted with the 50 cal, and the 50 cal gets a lot of attention. So.
Yeah, I was going to make a comment on that. Obviously that doesn't work, does it?
No, we had to take the trigger mechanism out of it, but it's an actual real Browning 50 cal.
Does a radio work in here?
Radio works in here.
Wow.
We've got the antenna system. We can actually talk to each other while we're doing these parades. Everything on the Jeep's functional. It's just like the day when we had it in service.
Next product we're going to pull out here is a sealant. Spray this right onto the finish. You don't have to let this set or dry. And just take a soft microfiber cloth that's provided in the kit, buff it on, and buff it right on off. Another great use for the sealant product is on glass. This will seal and protect the finish as well, help cut down on bug splatter, hard water spotting. Phil, on behalf of Flitz International, we would like to present your VFW Post with this check to put to good use in your charity foundations that you work with.
Thank you very much. We appreciate everything you do for us.
Thank you.